Hi everyone, welcome to the iPatch video channel. Today we're going to repair iPhone 6s. The customer said that there is no power on the phone. So let's check it first. First of all, you have to put your charger and check it. Make sure it's not switching on. So nothing. I recommend you to check both sides of the charging port. Sometimes one of the side is not working, but another works. Still nothing. Okay, let's disassemble it. So the first thing that you have to do is unplugging the battery. It's very important. If you're not gonna unplug the battery and take out the screen first, you can damage the backlight IC. So the second thing that we're gonna do, it is check the shortage. So we're gonna switch on the power supply, putting 4.2 volts. It's very important, yeah, because the battery is giving 4.2 volts. Okay, so let's check it. Oh, like I can see, the power supply showing me that the phone is shorted to the ground. Let's disassemble it. Don't waste time on the putting out the battery or checking out the charging port. There is a short circuit on the board. Looks like someone opened it already before. Okay, let's check it now. Today we're gonna use the camera, thermal camera, which works with the iPhone. So the camera name is SICK Thermal Pro. You can connect to the iPhone and check the thermal resistance. So we have connected charging to the power supply. Now we're going to check for the short circuit. Oh, you can see it's there on top. I will show you one more time. So looks like this is the capacitor and it's shorted to the ground. Let's take it out. So we just replaced it, capacitor to another one. So it's time to test the device. First of all, I want to test it for the short circuit. So I'm going to connect to my power supply to the motherboard without the screen first. Nothing. There is no short circuit anymore. So let's check the motherboard with his screen. Yeah, the phone is on. Thanks everyone for watching.